Hi, I'm Jay King and I've been interested in magic since 3 years ago. I've learnt off the internet.
And have you got a trick for me today?
Yes, I've got a heart and diamond trick. Because
Yes.
people get mixed up with their hearts and diamonds. Okay, choose a heart or a diamond.
The heart.
Okay, put the heart down. Now, you have to keep track on the heart. I'll just flip it up to make it a bit easier actually. And I'll take the diamond and put it face down. And it's quite obvious which one's the heart and which one's the diamond. So, I'm going to make it a bit harder and I'm going to flip the heart over. Now, you don't know which one's the heart and which one's the diamond because I'm going too fast. Which one do you think's the heart?
The bottom one.
They're both kings. Hi, my name's Jackie and I learned a job off the internet 3 years ago. You start with one ball and throw it up and down, hand to hand. Look up to see the ball where it's going to land. Once you get that, you grab 2 balls. Do the same thing, but with 2. When you get that good, grab the 3rd ball to do the same thing, but throw the 3rd ball at the end. So far. Continue juggling. Doesn't matter if you drop it a few times, you'll get it. Once you're learning the basics of juggling, you can go into tricks. Thank you. There was a man on the street and he said, I've got 3 cards. This card, you put it down. Another this card, and that card. He said, keep your eye on that card. I'm pretty sure I saw him put it to the bottom. He said, where's that card? I said, at the bottom. He said, no, that's this card. I said, fine, on the top. He said, that's another this card. So I said, it must be in the middle. And he said, that's another this card. I said, there's no that card. Actually, he said, that card's on the bottom. That card's also on the top. And I said, that's unfair, you got 2 that cards. He said, actually, I got 3. And I said, where did this cards go? He said, this card's on the bottom, on the top, and in the middle. And I said, obviously you're cheating. And he said, in life you get a bit of this, a bit of that, and sometimes other.
You messing it up?
Yeah.
Tell me when you're ready to start.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. Go.
Go. 1 minute. Just relax, take your time. That's under 2 minutes.